Hakabaya dehi bak kajing syak peniap jong Raja Raghuvanshi nakaleng kipulit kila sedang ya kata kajing tokit bat hakajing tokit jong kipulit kila alap ya kata kajing shisha lor kani ka jing jahi hakaba nakaleng jungi ngila yo ban ya kendu ya u SP ka is khasihil u ba vivik sim bat ulai thu ingi ba kani kajing plan kajing sobut bakin peniap yo raja hi kala sedang nadu khatwis ngi haswa ba ka Sonam Raghuvanshi kan yatho bat uni Raja Raghuvanshi bat hakajing wan kai jungki kila persang man beniap hang te apo Guwahati yo Raja Hendra kani kamshimla urlong bat hadin ba kamshimla urlong kani ka plan hi ka Sonam kala ong yo Raja bakin wan kai shini chapo sora shini chapo shilong knang bakin la ban penurlong ya kata kajing tumu besniu jengki bat day hadu baki lapoi hang ni hapo wei saudong hi baki yo lat ban penyap ya u raja hakabai day bat kani ka jing plan baro hi kadai na u raj kuswaha u bala plan ya kani ban shim ya kajing im jong u raja Raghuvanshi tika ei kebo nakaleng jong u SP hi udon ban ong sobha ban yai ne ban ngi hakani ka khubor
ngirang stang ka interrogation ka kasni hi akaba ngila yo hi katukatnie ya kajing shisha ban kini ki sanmut bengila res ban stang kajing token kila phalut akaba kidon kti ya kani kakam kaba la penyap yo Raja Raghuvanshi angtai hawai sadang kila pharu ba ya kani kila sala nadu na Madhya Pradesh na Indore kadwaiski shwabani tho kani kadi ka but jong u raj kushwaha ubadai u samla jong ka Sonam ban ulapha yalaki perlok ju u Vicky u Vikas Chauhan alias Vicky u Anand Kurmi but u Akash Rajput ti yikini ki perlo ula apha na do khatndai trek kila poi ha Guwahati but kila sa hoi hotel but kila pe ya kanu ka jaka bikin la ban penyap yo raja ndrei ya kata klem utlong namba kibun kibreu ne ka jangai dan kita ka jaka kham jangai ti hadin kata haba katip no ka Sonam baka ta kam urlong Guwahati kalong yu kurim yang ini no station Shillong bacha sora but kini ru kila wan boat lang ban kila ya poi Shillong ria poi kila poi Shillong na Shillong shwa kila ya shim de ki bike atli ki bike kila yo shimwa ki ta ki atli ki bike kini shikurem ru kila poi Shillong ria ta ka bike hakami jonga arpo artrek kini langut ru kisa akoi ka homestay hang te ha nong ria bat kaladon ka jingthmu ha katu kami jonga arpo artrek pan peniap yo raja andre kaladon ka jinge ha kaba kim dan jaka bandret ekamet te kala pulom na hangta bat kila persang no hakmat jongka hapdeng jongka molakyat bat ka wisodom katba udang lek penjie u raja ti hendrei hakata kapor ru ki khlami ola ti kaba khaddu kadi hawi saudong kini laingut kila yorung shaw wi saudong falls u raja pade u balai ithu yaki sathie u balai long perlok sathie lengba ka Sonam kini kilaingut kilatip dupa ka plan jungki pat ka Sonam kala ong yu raja begini lech sor shashilong shasora bachadauki por biki kendo yikini kilaingut hakata ka step kini ru ki ong ba ngir gin lech shadoki te hangta kata ka jinglong perlok la khamjan shu begini lang shadoki ti kiyo lang ti hawai saudang kini laingot kirung nak syapo kapakindan kadba uraja wa Sonam kidan shadien te kumta uraja ulet shanek shrum banjit diki te hadu tad hadu banda lab yaki hau we sarong pakindan angta hau we sarong pakindan kile yang kai hanta but kita bro laingot kila mat yu raja uwe hadin uwe kasunam kadan hanta hadin kata kini laingot ki lara ikamet pala kenting yu nakatuka barikit dan itu syati syarian te hangta ka ki ksiar jongka kala ai no yaki pakin ra syathe berkepisah dia tunjuk kalanya hi maka kawai keskuti but hadu EV point ha EV point pada EV viewpoint ha EV viewpoint ya ka raincoat ka vid raincoat ka bayong ka bau phong u akash ula kawang no hangtu hajaka hi kamjangai na surok athai kumbasan komitare nang tu padia kata nilasis panangta kalichong no bo akash hakawi kaskuti but u anan kunmi u yai lang batki but u di anan kunmi u bo ya kata kaskuti ha sorarin nangta kala phong no dakawi kabut kha blai uwe ne kito but hakmat jongka lat mo plang kala kem no dakawi taksi shashulong banashulong kala kem no dakawi ka turis sha lokra ISBT banan lokra ISBT kalashon ka bus hadu Siliguri na Siliguri kalashon dakawi ka bus pala ki dakawi ka bus hadu Patna na Patna shadu ara but ha ara ki dakawi ka train local train sha Lucknow na Lucknow ka kem dakawi ka bus pada shadu Indore ha Indore kapoi ar khaka arpun trik bramie but hadin bakla mi hakikot kubor ne haki social media haki news ba way ne ki guide nang thena nongriat ula ui kita ki laingut but hadin kita klami ta ki laingut klami keleng kubor kila dun ke jing setieng but kalami na nang ta tawi ka kali kla pun bet uraj ban pet Siliguri but Siliguri pada tanpa perthai nang ta but kan ai kata kadau ba kala sabat bor kala yo pet nang ta te hnrei ka khaju kapor hi ka pratrik ka meglai police team atli kini ki kinhon ka meglai police ki poisha the but hadin ula shakem akash tayo khubor u raj bala shakem haite ki priyo bami tho baki phong civil dress te uraj ula shu ongno yaka hakajing panic du wangba sulet ka kanu no jaka ong ba pala sharap abor but ong ba kadan kam jarap tanganta ndre ka krempoi perkhat ba hakatu kasni hi kandan kaniya ka operation shathe hakini ti atli ki jilla tam kade hapdeng jumka 8 बजे हदु 8 खतरा मिनट मिनट no paisi kani gajing reki kadai tang te Guwahati hendrei ha naba ka klam urlong ka kam ha Guwahati ki hap ka kasunam ka hapsna no ka plan shani ami kani te ki khana samlam ta ki kan nostam absan snam apandai snam kila super Google kino ki tourist spots ai bandai kino khamlong klawe ka communicate lambau raj
through the phone
ka contact raj contact kini lama ya kita ingin tang investigate ya kata ka part of investigation la divulge kino ka communication pattern kalang tama ngala bang ipi ba ka communication maka ka communicate raj communicate kini lama supenyang tu sulenya ya kawat ngatrai kawat kumba maki ngatrai wei ni gitu ngatrai akash Wui ni kitu petik na petik. Tu ke blood stain ni ke bara bit khendo ka steel kala dan khendo ni tu ti ka Sonam hi kalara khendo kala bret. Em da deb hangi mentai ka dang ka interrogation ka seal buning kong. Lesi kani ka version ru kala ban kala no. Te ya kani hadin gila tikna ba kala long ha na so tu kani ka di ka ji shisha hi but na kani ka di ka fact hi kani ka tangi sele ka reconstruction ti ya mata hi ngadang yitu ipi ka version mata ski ka kalong kum ta hi te kila phla tang ka ka wei kala phla wa long ta em kani ka di ka case jungi ka ja ka jala jungi ki ki tu ki pulit jang ka jogi tu ki jala ki la ban yarap ngi Henry ka jing toket ka di jungi Nanta ka nadu ka arrest nadu ka registration ju ka di jungi hi Pensiasat bendiru hangni hi
Hakabaya dei hi baka jing syak penyap jong Raja Raghuvanshi anak kaleng jengi minta kasingi layo ban budin halor kani ka kes hakabangi la yakendu ya u DIG ka Eastern Range Davis Marak hak jing yakran bakilat pathai khubor hi nakaleng jong uni u he pulit ulayat hu ba kumnu ki pulit kila subaya ka lok jong u Raja Raghuvanshi ka Sonam Raghuvanshi hakaba ka don kti ban penyap ya ulok darang akadaw ni nakaleng jong u Davis Marat ulayat hu ba kajing subaning kong hi halor kani ka kes kade hadin baki tila check ya kata ka sutkes ka baki lawan ra baki lalap ya u Mangal Sutra ladang abatai halor Mangal Sutra ude u jingdeng jong ki kentai ki balayat ho ha kan yam Hindu hi ki ba ki de bandeng be serta jing em ti kajing lap jong ki pulit hi uni ki lap kala bersubay ki ba lese ka Sonam ka don ti ban penyap ya ulok la jong u Raja Raghuvanshi nalor kani hi ki pulit hadin ba kilalap ya kamet jong u Raja kilalap ru ya kita kisabut kum kawat kaba kilalap na kateka than hi kabala pen suba shushu nalor kaniru namar baki de ki shikurim ki balawan kai shani kilawan kai honeymoon shani ka jela henry ka jingbam bodor lani ka jingbam post dor e jong kini ki shikurim hi kala penlong ki pulet bakin dang ti khamnya halor kani ka jing suba jong ki bat nakani ka daw hi baki pulet kila penpai ya ka phang jong ki baki toket namar nadu ba kilap hi ya ka met jong u Raja nadu baki wan hi hang ni nadu ka arpulai tarik hi kini arnu shikurim hi kila aja bat kade hadu artarik hi bagi lap ya kamet jong u Raja kata Sonam bat kaja tat hadu ka khandai tarik baki layo nang tenapo Gazipur hak jing yakran hi u DIG ulayat huru ba nakaleng ka Sonam kala adap pla ba kadon benta ban penyap ya u Raja Hindrai kani kajing don bintahi nakaleng ki pulet kidang pelong ya takajing tokit ka banyak kena bagin tip manu badai mastermind halor kani kajing penyap ya u Raja Raghuvanshi namar kumbakalong mentahi hapedeng ka Sonam bat u Raj Koswaha ki nyat iwei ba ki manu kita ki bala subut ningkong ya kani tika ka ba nakaleng jong ni he pulet udan bani thu yangi subha bani ne bani ha kani ka khubo.
It is one of the red lights in a sense that see there were certain inconsistencies in the facts that we were before the police at that point of time. Like for instance, we had recovered the body, we had recovered the mother weapon, but the girl was missing. Then there was a case of this Mangal Sutra. There were also cases like, for instance, like a new couple had come to Sora for honeymoon, and there was nothing posted on the social media, no photographs taken of the couple and all that. So these were the red flags that actually made the police investigate the angle of probably an inside job. Yes, this is prima facie, it appears so, but like I said, we will be able to establish all that and confirm all that only after we complete the interrogation. As far as we know, they carried the suitcase. The rider put it in front in the front side and between his legs, and that was how they carried the suitcase. Yes, it appears halfway she went along with this other accused persons, halfway up till Mokadok, and from Mokadok it appears she went. The other accused persons, is three contact killers. They went ahead, and Sonam From there, proceeded to Guwahati and then thereafter to Indore. Yes, it must be either the contract killers or Sonam herself, because at that point in time there were 3 scooties, and it appears they were together at that point of time. That scooty was abandoned at Sorarim with the key on, with the key of the scooty, and thereafter Sonam got into one of the scooties along with the contractors. Yes, she has confessed that she is a part of the conspiracy, but the question about as to who is the mastermind, that needs to be established, because she is blaming Raj, whereas Raj is blaming or putting the blame on Sonam. Yes, we will take them to Sora after we have completed our interrogation, because during the interrogation we need to establish the facts and the inconsistencies in the statements of different accused persons, that will have to be ironed out. And once there is clarity in the statements of all the accused persons, then we will be taking them to different places for recreation of the crimes. Now that is what we are establishing that fact through interrogation, and we will be also, based on their statements, we will be verifying whatever she says, and then we will be able to say how much or what kind of transaction have taken place. As of now, the accused persons have denied, but that cannot be ruled out, and it is a matter of further investigation. See, the SIT members are there, and the members of the SIT, as they are interrogating these accused persons. See, first of all, when they give their statements, we have to verify the veracity of their statements. Like if they say that, okay, we have done this, or we have gone to that place, X, Y, Z place, or and all that, we will actually have to physically go and verify whether their statement matches with the facts or not. So that we will have to actually physically go and investigate and verify their statements as to their alibis. As of now, she has denied, and from the statements of the accused person, it appears that it was the hired contract killers who actually killed Raja. Yes, the statement of the accused persons, that is the contract killers, suggests that that Sonam helped in throwing the body after Raja was killed. She helped in lifting the body and throwing to the gorge. According to the statements, it was done in Resort. Scooty has been hired from Shillong, so we are also confirming about when they hired, where they went, and all that, and all the routes also. We are also confirming from the source. See, as far as our information goes, they probably reach Shillong around the same time with Sonam and Raja. See, we have already given in our earlier statements also that Sonam and Raj, they are the prime suspects, okay, and the prime accused. So we stand by that. As of now, they continue to be the prime accused. However, who is the actual mastermind who actually started this plot, that needs to be established at this stage. See, this information you will have to ask the SP and the team which is interrogating, because as of now interrogations are going on. So that details of the interrogation will be briefed to you by the SP today later in the evening. See, that is why first we are now recording the statements of these accused persons separately, individually. At a later date, now we will confront them with the other accused persons, and the contradictory statements will be placed before both the accused at the same time. And then we will see that so-and-so is saying this, so-and-so is saying this. What actually is the truth? That we will be placing before the accused persons, and we will establish the truth based on by confronting each other, the accused persons. See, the details I will not be able to share at this stage, but we have sufficient officers who are part of this interrogation team. All the persons who are directly involved in the killing of Raja have been arrested. If there are any more accused persons, that we will establish during the course of investigation. We will be seeking assistance from Guwahati police also, and all other state police, wherever the assistance is required. We will be seeking assistance and help from those police forces as well.